In today's video, we're gonna test the VIOFO WM1 dashcam. This is a 2K resolution dashcam from View. So today we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna test it, and we're gonna see how good it is. Okay, this is what it comes inside of the box. This is the VIOFO WM1. This is a 2K resolution dashcam, okay, with Wi-Fi. This is the dashcam. It looks pretty small and light. That's amazing. The buttons are on the back. In the front is the camera for the front, okay. This is only for front view camera, okay. It has a cigarette lighter connection for the power cable, the charging cable, trim tool is very helpful, that one, and USB-C to USB-A. Let me see if I can show you. It's stuck. Yeah, USB-C to USB-A cable, and extra double-sided tape for this one, just in case this one is messed up. The manual, very important. This one sticks. You can put this clear film on the window so it will last longer on the window, but I always like to put it like that, but this is optional. You can install this one. The instructions, online, customer service, and that's it for this, all the things that come inside of the box. But also you can get the hard wiring kit. This one is for the dashcam, so you don't have to use this one, and you can hide this cable, and every time you turn on the car, the dashcam will turn off. This one is great. Okay, I'm gonna put the link for everything, and also you need a SD card. This one is 64 gigs SD card. This is the one I'm gonna use, and they sent me this. This is a wireless Bluetooth remote control, so I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna see how this one works. Okay, but this one is optional. These are optional, but this one is very important. You need to get an SD card. The link for all these products, they're gonna be on the description of the video down below. Okay, we're ready to test the camera. On the back has a record button, microphone button, Wi-Fi button, and the last one is to lock the video. Let's turn on the Wi-Fi. Let's hold it for 3 seconds. That's on. Download the app, the VIOFO app from the App Store. Then connect to the Wi-Fi, this one, VIOFO, and add the password. Click join. It's connected. Open the app, click connect, and now it's connected. Yes. It has everything in here, so we have to turn off the recording first, and we can open the videos right here, right down in the corner. Those are all the videos. You can download the videos there. Now here is the settings. That's the resolution, 2460, 1440p, 30 frames per second. That's one I'm gonna leave it. The next one is the loop recording. I'm gonna leave it in 1 minute. It's easy to download in 1 minute. The exposure, I'm gonna leave it like that. For the gene sensor, I'm gonna leave it in medium. The bit rate, normal, is fine. The time zone, I'm gonna leave it on 6, is good. The date, month, date, and year, that's good. Time synchronized with my phone, yes. Boot, off. Parking mode, I'm gonna leave it on auto. But for the parking mode, you will need a hard wiring kit. Just remember that, okay? I'm gonna leave it 30 minutes, okay. Now enter parking mode, leave it off. Parking mode off, okay. Image, mirror image, that's everything is okay. Miles per hour, that's good. The speed condition, yes. Format SD card, Wi-Fi password. You still have those settings, but I'm gonna leave everything like it is, okay. Now the next one, we're gonna test it on the road. We're gonna see the day view and night view. Let's do that next. Okay, this is the debut for the front camera. We only have one channel camera, so only one camera, 2K resolution. Everything looks very good and clear. As you can see, the license plate are very clear, easy to read. The resolution is great. Also, this one has the feature for wide dynamic range. When the light sometimes is overexposure and low light, that is an amazing feature for that. Okay, but as you can see, everything looks great. It looks amazing, pretty clear. The light is bright. That's good. Okay, now as we can see, this is the night view front camera, 2K resolution. This one has a night vision because as you can see, it looks very clear. Everything looks great. You can read the license plate. You can see all the cars super clear because this is already at night. For to be this one at night video is amazing. You can see it's great. Now as you can see, this one is this area and here is a little bit darker and it still looks bright. I like it a lot. This resolution is great. Okay, now that you saw all the videos, the conclusion, this is a great camera, but this camera is only front view, one channel. This is a 2K resolution. It has a great view during the day. At night has night vision, looks super clear. 2K resolution, I think is perfect. But now that you already saw the videos, you can decide if you want to get this camera. The link of this camera is gonna be in the description of the video down below. But let me know what you guys think on the comments. If you like this video, please like the video. That helps this video and the channel a lot. Subscribe for more videos like this one. We have more videos coming. And thank you for watching and see you on the next video.